going to get a real special guest to come up and sing a song with us now. If he's back there and got his singing shirt on. This guy here was a 12-year member of Bill and Rose Bluegrass Boys. Led his own band and was on the Cumberland Highlanders for 58 years. We'll sing on this one. This is a side address mic. And he's moved back from Nashville, and he lives just 2 hills and a holler away from me in Elliott County. And I'm thrilled to get to see this guy from time to time. Known him since I was a little fella, and that's been a while. And his name's Wayne Lewis, and I want you to give him a nice round of applause.
Well, I appreciate you getting me up, Don, because I retired back in 17.
Yeah?
And then I got to thinking.
Got the itch, didn't you?
I got the itch. But it's really a pleasure to be back out again. Once in a while I get to sing with Don, and I enjoy it. And in September the 8th, we're going to be doing a show down in Rosine, Kentucky. They have a festival down there. And
Monroe's home place.
yeah, it's where Bill Monroe grew up. And if y'all ever watched the Cumberland Highlander show, that's where we filmed a bunch of them at the old home place. But it's a pleasure to be up here just singing. I miss it.
Hi, Wayne.
Hi. But now we're going to do a gospel song that I sang a few times with Mr. Bill Monroe. One called The Old Crossroads, Waiting.
he's got an old guitar that my boy Andrew likes to wrap his mitts around and play. He brought it today, and Bub was supposed to come down here today. He had attention he had to pay to a little girl somewhere. So that just kind of shot that all in the foot. But, we'll make him pay for it. He'll pay dearly. Actually, she'll make him pay dearly. I won't have to do anything.